virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Today's subject is Mathematics of Standard 4th and name of the chapter is Word Problems, Addition and Subtractions, Part 2. Dear children, we have already completed Word Problems, Addition and Subtractions Part 1, isn't it? In that, we have solved so many problems on addition, right? Do you remember? Okay, today we are going to solve the word problems based on subtractions and also we will solve mixed sums, okay, that carry both addition and subtractions. Now let us move to our sums. Subtract. First, we will do one simple subtraction in the table. Okay, then we will move to our word problems. Yes, here you can see the sum, correct? This is in horizontal arrangement. We will arrange this sum in vertical arrangement. See this, we will write. We always write numbers from unit place, that you know, isn't it? Okay, 87,843 minus 66,586. Okay, 5-digit number. Now we will subtract this. Now always we begin subtraction from unit place. This is subtraction by borrowing, correct? With borrowing. Now here in the unit place we have to subtract 6 from 3. It is not possible because 6 is greater than 3. So what we do? We borrow from the left hand side, correct? Here tens place is there and 4 is there. We will borrow from 4. So here 3 it becomes 13 because here 4 it gives 110 to here unit place. So here it became 10 plus 3, 13. You all know this, correct? We have already learnt about this in standard 3rd, isn't it? Okay, now here 13 minus 6. How much? Yes, good. That is 7. Now here in the tens place 3 minus 8. Again not possible. Again here 3 will borrow from hundreds place. That is 8 is there. Correct? Now 8 gives 100 to tens. So it becomes 7 and here it becomes 13 tens. Correct? Now 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8 is how much? Yes, 5. Isn't it? 13 minus 8 is 5. Now in the hundreds place, 7 minus 5. Very simple. So that is 2. Now in the thousands place, 7 minus 6, that is 1. And in 10,000s place, 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. Now we will read the answer, that is 21,257. Isn't it? Okay, same procedure we have to follow in word sums, word problems with subtraction. Okay. Now here is your first sum. See this. First we will read the sum, then we will try to understand that, and then we will go for the method. Okay. This year 6,543 students got admission in the city school. Out of these 4,467 are boys. How many girls got the admission in that school? This is our sum. Okay, word problem. Now what is given here? We will try to understand, okay, by using the columns. Yes, what is given here? Here it is given that total students admitted in that city school were 6,543. Okay, out of these, number of boys are 4,467. It is given in the word problems, correct? It is given here in the question. Now next point is what to find out. What is asked here? Yes, how many girls got the admission? Here, number of girls we have to find out. Okay, total students we know and number of boys also we know. Yes, you are right. When we subtract number of boys from the total students, we will get number of girls. But which method we have to follow here? Yes, you are right. That is subtraction. Because here, out of these, how many girls? Correct? So it is subtraction. Now we will proceed to the method. See, here we will do method. We know subtraction we have to follow. So we will write total students up. 6,543. That is 6,543. Okay. Always start from right hand side. Okay. And minus 4,467. Now we will begin our subtraction. 3 minus 7. I will not show you here borrowing and all that. You have to remember and you have to carry out the subtraction. 3 now here 13. 13 minus 7. How much? 6. Isn't it? Now here 4 is there, but it is 3 borrowed from 4. So here it is 3. Isn't it? 13 minus 6 again. 13 minus 6, that is 7. Correct? Now here 4. Correct? 4 minus 4, that is 0. And 6 minus 4 is 2. Isn't it? Yes. Means you can say here we will write answer. The total girls admitted are 2,076. Correct? Total boys are 4,467 and total girls are 2,076. Got this, students? Now we have to follow these steps while solving the word problems. Each step has a marks. Okay? Each step has mark. So we have to follow all these steps. Let us move to the second sum. We will read. I scored 9,876 points in a game. Okay, this is a video game. I scored 9,876 points in a game. My brother, he scored 2,550 less points than me. Please try to understand. And hence he lost the game. I won the game and my brother lost the game. How many points did he score? Okay, now we will frame a table. Here what is given? My points, correct? That is 9,876 and score difference between me and my brother is 2,550, isn't it? Okay, now what is asked here? What is asked? Scores of my brother. Now, what method should we use? That is subtraction, isn't it? You are right. Now we will proceed to method. You know now, we have to minus one number from the other one. That is my points. They are more, correct? So we will write first 9876 minus 2550, isn't it? When we minus the difference scores between me and my brother, then I will get the scores of my brother, isn't it? Here we will begin our subtraction. 6 minus 0 is equal to 0. Sorry, 6. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. And 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Isn't it? Means my brother scored 7326 points. Right? Here we have to write answer like this. The score of my brother was 7326 points. I hope you understood the sum. Children, see this. Based on the given information, make one addition and one subtraction problem each and solve the problems. Means they will give some information to us. We have to frame a question. One for addition and one for subtraction. And then we have to solve. Okay, we will try. See, the information given is number 1, rupees 4500 worth for fodder and rupees 2835 worth of other animal feed. Means this is money, you know, because it is rupees. And what is the meaning of fodder? That is animal food. That is called fodder. One type of animal food. Okay, and another type that it is given as animal feed. Okay, he purchased two types. First for rupees 4500 and another animal feed for rupees 2835. This information is here. Correct? Now we will try to frame a question of addition. This is given information, correct? Cost of the fodder is rupees 4500 and cost of the other animal feed, that is rupees 2835. See this? Now addition sum. Try to make a simple word problem by using this given information. Rupees 4500 used for fodder and rupees 2835 used to purchase other animal feed. What is the total amount used? Yes, dear children, you know that for addition we have to use words like total, or you can use sum, SUM, or you can use plus, PLUS, or you can use all together. What to use? All together. Correct? These four words we can use for addition sums. Okay. Now here, what is the total amount used? What we have to do here? Yes, addition. You Now we will do addition of these two numbers, rupees 4,500 plus rupees 2,835. See this, you know addition. Here in the unit place 5, then 3, then 5 plus 8, that is 13, then 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 7, isn't it? This is our answer. Means what is the total amount used here? Rupees 7,335. Got this? Okay, same information we will use and we will make a subtraction sum. Information is same. Now subtraction sum we will make. See this. Rupees 4,500 used for fodder. Okay. And rupees 2,835 used to purchase other animal feed. This we know. Now question is, how much more amount used to purchase fodder than other feed? We have to find out the difference. Got this? We have to find out the difference between these two, means that is belong to subtraction. Isn't it? When we want to find out the difference, it becomes subtraction. And when we want to find out left amount, that is also subtraction. If we use subtract the word, then also it becomes subtraction. And if we use minus word, minus, minus, then also the sum becomes subtraction. Okay, got this? Okay, now we will proceed to our method. Rupees 4,500 minus rupees 2,835. What is the answer here? See this. Rupees 1,665. You know this subtraction, correct? So I have written directly the answer. Now how to write answer here? More amount used for fodder than other animal feed was rupees 1,665. Got this? There are so many sums based on this in your textbook. Please practice them. Okay? Now we will move to mixed problems. Mixed problems means that has both operations, that is addition and subtraction. Here first thing is we must have to understand the given problem properly. Okay? Then we will come to know which operation we have to make first and which one afterwards. Let us move to our sum. See, this is our sum. First we will read. The price of a computer is 25,709. The price of a printer is 3,280. And the price of a scanner is 2,190. What is the total cost of the three items? Same sum I have taken for addition in part 1, isn't it? And up to here it was there. Now this we added to make it mixed sum. See what is the next sentence? And how much amount left from the sanctioned amount, which is equal to rupees 40,000. Dear children, what is given here? The cost of computer, printer and scanner it is given. Okay, and earlier the money was sanctioned to purchase all these three items. How much that was? Rupees 40,000. Okay, now I purchase all these three items. Now it is asked what is the total cost of all these three items. That is, first we have to solve Then afterwards what we have to find out? We have to find out how much money left. Okay, we will go through steps. What is given? See this, cost of computer, cost of printer and the cost of scanner. It is given, isn't it? Okay, now what is asked here? Total cost. Number 1 here, what is the total cost of the 3 items? It is asked. And what is the second question here? Amount left from the sanctioned amount. Okay, see here 2 operations we have to carry out. What method should we use here? For number 1, we have to go for addition because total, correct? This word only tells us that is addition. And second one, amount left. See, this is left amount, that is nothing but subtraction. Got this? Okay, we will move for method. First we are going to do addition. These 3 amounts I will write one below the other. See this? Okay, now we will add from unit place. 9 plus 0 plus 0, that is 9. In the tens place, 8 plus 9, that is 17, isn't it? 7 we will write. 1 we have to remember. In the hundreds place, 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, isn't it? 11. So 1 we will write down and 1 is carried over. Now again we have to remember 1. In thousands place we have to add that one, correct? Now 5 plus 3, that is 8. Then 2, 10 plus 1, that is 11. So 1 I will write here and 1 is carried over. So here 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 3. Yes, we will write answer here. Total cost of 3 items is equal to rupees 31,179. Got this? Our first part is over up to here. Okay, this part is over, or here total cost addition. This is over. Now we will move to the second question, that is amount left. So we have to carry out subtraction. Correct? Now we will write first sanctioned amount, that is 40,000. Okay. Now what we will minus? Total amount of these 3 items, that is 31,179. Now we will subtract. 0 minus 9. Not possible, isn't it? So we will borrow from tens place, nothing is there. From hundreds place, again 0. From thousands place, again 0. So we will move to 10,000s place. Right? Now here it gives 1/10,000 to thousands place. Okay, first you have to remember here 4. Here in the unit place you will get 1/10, means 10. Yes, so 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Now in the tens place 9 will be there. In the hundreds place 900 will be there. In thousands place 9,000s will be there. Remember, okay, only in the unit place 10 we will get, and rest all 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Maybe any number of zeros, it will become 9. So here 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Here 3, correct? 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So nothing is there. Okay, now what is the amount left? That is 8,821. Isn't it? We will write our answer here. Amount left is equal to rupees 8,821. Got this? If you not understood, please pause the video, again go back and again you start the video. Okay. We will move to next one. See, this is our sum. We will try to read and understand. The total amount spent on building a certain house was, see this, a big amount, 87 lakhs 14,530. See, that is total amount spent on building a house building. Okay. Of this amount, 24,72,615 were spent on buying the plot of land. Then 50,43,720 on the construction material. We need cement, bricks, all that, correct? So it is used. And the rest on labor charges. Labor charges means the people who work over there, they will get money, isn't it? That is called labor charges. What was the amount spent on labor? That we must have to find out. Okay, first I will try to show you. See this. This is a house. Amount spent on building of this house is rupees 87,14,530. Okay. Now here see this. This is a plot. To buy this plot, he gave 24,72,615. Correct? Before building this house, he purchased this plot for this amount. Okay. Then afterwards, he purchased or he brought so many different materials. See, bars, jelly, bricks, cement, sand. How much he spent on this? 50,43,720. He used all these materials and he constructed the house on this plot. Okay. And how much amount? Okay. These are called labors. How much amount he gave or he spent on the labors who helped him to construct this house? We have to find out. Right? So this amount we have to find out. Now dear children, see this. I will tell you. This is total amount spent and these two are given. That is for the plot and this amount is for the material. When we add these three amounts, this also, then we have to get this amount. Total cost. Isn't it? Correct? Okay. First what we will do, first we have to find out the labor charge. Here, first what we will do, we will add, see, stepwise we will go. First step, this is our total amount spent on building house, isn't it? So, I will minus the cost of the plot. What we will get? We will see 0 minus 5, that is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Again 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Isn't it? This is cost of material and labor. Okay, because we have subtracted the cost of the plot. Got this? This you have to remember. We will carry forward this amount. In the step 2, we will write this. That is the cost of material and labor. From this we will minus cost of the material that we know, that is 50,000 for 50 lakhs 43,720, correct? Now we will minus. Now here 5 minus 0, that is 5. 11 minus 2, that is 9. 8 minus 7, that is 1. 11 minus 3, that is 4. 3 minus 4, that is 9. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, correct? Here this much amount left, that is, yes, that is amount spent on labor. We got the answer here, correct? What we did, first we subtracted the plot cost from the total amount, correct? Then we got the cost of material and labor amount. From that we have subtracted the cost of material, correct? Now we got our answer, that is amount spent on labor. This is our proper answer, that is 11,98,195. Isn't it? This is our answer. Yes, dear children, if you want to verify your answer is right or wrong, got this? Then we have to follow this third step, that is verification. If you practice this, then you will be thorough with your answer. What we have to do? We have to add all the three numbers, that is cost of plot, cost of material and amount spent on labor. Okay, if we get the total amount here, that is 87 lakhs, if we get that one, then our answer is perfect. Okay, we will move to solve this. Here 5 plus 5 in the unit place is 10. Now we will write 0, 1 is carried over. Then 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 13, correct? 3 here, 1 carried over. Then 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, that is 14, plus 1, that is 15, correct? 5 here, 1 carried over. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 8 is 13, plus 1, that is 14. 4 here, 1 is carried over. Then 7 plus 4, how much? 11. 11 plus 9, that is 20, plus 1. So 21. 1 we will write here, 2 carried over. Remember this. Now 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2, 7. Now here 2 plus 5 plus 1, that is 8. We got same answer, correct? That is the total amount used to build the house. So our sum is perfect. Got this? If you try this verification for all these types of sum, then you will get the confidence to solve more and more sums. Okay? Thank you, dear children. And there are so many sums in your textbook. Please go through them and try to solve them. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.